Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by meeting essential prerequisites and taking the first actions immediately. Install the Gemini app and sign in, then verify your email or phone to unlock the main interface. Once done, grant microphone and storage permissions so features like voice input and file import work. Make sure to enable notifications so background updates reach you. These steps get you past the gate quickly and set the app to its usable state. Don't skip verification or permissions. You now move into the core workflow and execute detailed steps. Open a new project or conversation, select the model or operational mode that fits your goal, and then give context, upload files or paste text and state objectives clearly. Once the model responds, refine prompts and tweak temperature or creativity settings to shape output. Make iterative checks against your intent and use the history tool to compare versions. This keeps control while exploring outputs and prevents drifting off. You close the process by finalizing and handling common failures. Export or save outputs in the format you need, then review history and logs to confirm no essential edits were missed. Once satisfied, set sharing permissions and distribute the file. If the app behaves oddly or responses are off, reset the conversation context, rephrase prompts with clearer instructions, and check microphone, storage permissions, and network connectivity. A quick app restart or reinstall resolves many persistent issues. Try that before extensive troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.